This is obviously caulking, and that looks like it is. Very wet still. Tile on tile with caulking. What's up, guys? This is just a quick video to help homeowners out there who have tile installation that just simply has gone wrong. This is a small bathroom floor, 12-inch by 24-inch tile porcelain that was installed incorrectly. As you can see, there's a lot of things going on here. The most obvious is this. Tile installed on top of tile, and something that I don't think I see very often. This looks like it's just your standard caulking, spot bonded caulking. Here's the back of the tile here. Let me show you. There you go. Back of the tile. That came out of a tube and a caulking gun. Definitely not mortar, not thin set. And if you ever tile over tile, I would definitely not recommend it, but if you do, always prime your tile prior to installation. We'll take a couple other looks of incorrect methods here. Obviously you can hear hollow spots. So these tiles come up pretty easy. And take a look at these interesting cuts over here. As you can see, we've got a 12 by 24 around this toilet. This guy just patched this up. I mean, we cut 12 by 24s down to 12 by 12s here. We've got all of these incredibly ugly cuts. There's no stagger, there's no offset. This is what you don't want when getting tile installed at your house. So if you're a homeowner, if you're having tile installation, I would definitely recommend checking on the installation. If you see things like this is total red flags. Not continuing a 50% offset. You have random sloppy, messy cuts back here. The original floor was not removed. And if they want to tile over it, that's fine. Just prime it with some primer specifically made for priming tile. And if you don't see a tile installation or a guy installing tile with thin set mortar, you see him using mastic, or in this case, installing with caulking and a caulking gun, then definitely stop the job right away. Walk him out of your house and hire somebody who knows what they're doing. So you can see there's lips all over the place. Again, this is pretty crazy. It's a small little floor. This is an easy job to do. This is a lot of corners that have been cut. So again, if you're a homeowner out there, keep a lookout for something like this. This is a one horrible tile job. So we're gonna pull all this up and correctly install this floor. So we're pulling up the tile now. I mean, the original tile comes up fairly easy with the roto hammer. That should have been the first step before installing this new tile, but take a look at this. This is obviously caulking, and that looks like it is. Very wet still. We'll show you how easy this tile comes up. Tile on tile with caulking. Spot bonding. Never acceptable. And spot bonding's the least of the problems in this installation. And there you go, a 2-minute floor demo. Let's pull this floor up here, get the slab nice and prepped, and install this tile correctly. Well, there you guys go. We brought it down to the slab, is what you always should do. You know, removing this old tile took us about 10 minutes. Yes, it was installed with mastic. Why the other guy didn't remove it in the first place, I really don't know. One, cutting corners. Two, simply being lazy. Always bring it down to the concrete slab, okay? Never tile over tile. As you can see here, here's the old tile. It has a shiny glaze to it. Thin set does not stick good to this at all. Bring it down to the slab. If you're working on a subfloor, always install underlayment such as Detra, Stratamat, concrete board. Don't cut corners. If you see guys installing tile over tile and you're paying this person, have them stop right away. Remove the original tile and install on the slab. Okay guys, floor is installed. New floor installed correctly. Using 1/2-inch trowel, back butter all tiles, tile leveling system for large format. I gotta say one thing, the next person who has to remove this floor, I'll feel bad for them. It'll come out in tiny 1/4-inch shards. Won't be fun to remove this floor, but this is how you correctly install large format tile. This is a tile leveling system by LevTec. Leave a link in the description below for this tile leveling system. There you go. This install took less than an hour. Demo took about 20 minutes. This is how you correctly do it. Don't tile on top of tile. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.